Hey everybody. So I decided on finally reading from my poetry compilation book. And I've been writing poetry since I was about 10, 12 years old. And yeah, so I decided to pop here onto social media and share some of my poetry. Now, this book is very near and dear to my heart. They're also for sale, by the way. And yeah, the first section of the poetry book is all about Afrikaans poems and growing up on the farm, um, and my experience with nature and art. And yeah, there's some tough experiences in there, there's some light stuff in there. Um, and then, of course, on the flip side, we've got the English section, which is titled The Fairy Tale Tree. And we'll get to that part. But first, we're going to start one poem at a time. And we're going to start today with the Afrikaans section first. So, hopefully, throughout all of this, you'll maybe want to get you one of these. And also, you might get excited about poetry. And if so, I also run some poetry workshops. So, you might be keen on joining one of those. All right, let's get started. In oorvloed. Sagkens dryf sy tot verskyn. Blom oase in dorre woestyn. Reënboog strek deur, asemrowend in elke kleur. Water klots en spoel oor klip, deur die voetpad weg. Natuur skoon, sy hou my hart eg. My koppie stort, in oorvloed beskik ek nou. Vul dan die harte van die om my, hul pierentjies leeg en verkil. So, that's the first one. And if you want to know and hear more, then you'll have to stay tuned.